everyone, it's just James here, okay, with an update. Now, I wanted to give you guys a video showcasing what I've all finished so far in the 3D printing journey. Now, I have been making dolls, I've been making action figures, I have been going nuts. Let's go through the line of all the dolls I have completed thus far. Now, one of the first dolls I showed you was the Divine doll. She is right here. Our Divine doll is still intact. She is still fabulous. I'm pretty sure she's going to go up for sale pretty soon, so keep an eye out on James Mansfield Beauty. We're going to have a one-of-a-kind customs tab coming very, very soon, so if you're interested in owning one of these little design dolls, you very much could. It's a possibility. It could happen, okay? Now, along with the Divine doll, I had a creative breakthrough, and like I mentioned before, I've created it off the Hot Mandy idea. Well, we have Hot Mandy. She is still here. And I have a couple bodies of her printed, so if you like Hot Mandy, let me know. I can probably, make a few of them. I have a few that are printed out that I've just been messing around with. I've been going through a lot of filament, just playing around with ideas. That just tends to happen whenever I'm creating. As soon as I get an idea, I end up making 3 or 4 of them. So I've got quite a bit of overstock. But yeah, these as Divine, Hot Mandy are full-figured, beautiful fashion dolls. They're minis. They're a little bit under 7 inches, around 6 inches if you're counting the hair. Yeah, they are shorties. They're great. They're petite and cute. Hot Mandy and Divine. A one-off. I will not make another Divine. This is the only one I'm ever going to do. But if you like her, she'll probably be for sale. So keep an eye out for her. And of course, Mandy. This one I'm probably going to keep. But again, if you like Mandy, keep an eye out. She'll be around. I also just recently had a creative breakthrough. So after I'm done with this version of Mandy, I have a superstar face that I just did. Because of course, this is the classic Barbie kind of look, that side-eye peeking 60s face. I was tweaking around with the design and I managed to make a superstar face, a parody of the Superstar Barbie, Superstar Mandy. So keep an eye out for that. All right. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. But I feel like her fashions are going to get a lot more outrageous. This one I actually debuted in a James Mansfield video. It was for my birthday for the Wiggies. Now, this one I made just on a whim. It is actually a trophy. It is the Jamesy Award for the parody award show I did for my James Mansfield channel. For my birthday, I wanted to do something different, so I decided to do a mock parody award show, where the whole premise was basically I'd give out fake awards. Most of them all get won by James Mansfield. That was the whole point of it, it's just to award myself a bunch of dumb awards. But this is the Jamesy. I spray painted it gold. It is basically a wig head, like a styrofoam wig head, with a bob wig on top, representing the wiglet. The very first tier you can get is the sensible bob. So it's representing that, the Golden Wiggy, the Jamesy Award. And I think it's a marvel in engineering. And honestly, very, very simple in design. It's literally just a square with a little mannequin head that I made. Oh, let me go grab the Gogo boy. He's outside. And if you've been watching my recent updates, I also had an action figure I created. Yes, the Gogo boy is all finished. He is painted. He is finished. Let's take a look at how he looks, okay? This is our finished product for the Gogo boy. I think he is super, super cute. Check him out. I painted him on a live stream, so if you want to see how I did that, I have that live stream right here. It's great. It's fun. It's like a live hangout. Anytime I'm painting dolls online, it's always just a fun, chill time. Just there to get the vibes in, really enjoy ourselves, just show off our art. But yeah, this is our Gogo boy. I painted on some dollar bills. He's got his long socks on, the tennis shoes, the harness, the underwear, sweatband. It's giving you a Gogo boy, all of what you would see here at Piranha or Gypsy in Las Vegas. The bars I typically frequent here, where you're gonna see the hottest Gogo boys. So yeah, a staple of the gay community, the Gogo boy. All right, a nice little salute to what is honestly a queer staple. Now, the James Mansfield dolls. Now, this one I mentioned before was a collaborative effort with Gothic Zombie on Instagram. He made the body for me, and I've been experimenting with it, stretching it out, making something fantastic. I showed it before, but this is the Vava Voom scult updated. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous gal. Check her out. She's got great painted on heels. She's got molded hair. Her head moves. I figured out how to articulate the head. And basically, it's a structure of stringing it from a neck peg right there. You can see there's a little hook on her neck. It goes all the way through her body and hooks around her leg joints here. And her arms are just separate, jointed right here. They're just separated like that. So yeah, very, very simple in how it works, but super effective. And she's got a really fun presence about her. I'm obsessed with her. I think she is so, so fun. And I'm excited to innovate more. Now, of course, the original Vava Voom I've been showing you, she is varnishing right now. So I'm in the process of curing her. And that's going to be a whole nother video because there's way too many of them to show off in one video. Plus, I want to do like a fun little launch because those are actually the girls I will be selling. So if you really, really like those dolls, they're going to be available. You can buy them. All right, they're going to be one of a kinds. Once they're there, they're there. Once they're gone, baby, they're gone. I'm never making them again. If I do, it's not going to be that same one. All right, it's going to be something completely different skin tone, different eye color, different hair color, you name it, different dress. It's going to be entirely different. So if you like that one, honestly get it because it's going to be a great price. And, you know, it's one of a kind art. And you're supporting, you know, your favorite creator, which is me. Yeah, I adore her. This is my own personal doll for the collection. I'm building towards selling off all my Barbie dolls and just having my own artwork on display in the back. That's initially my goal, is to have all my artwork in the back, and then whoever makes art for me, I'll display that. But I'm kind of tired of, like, you know, giving Mattel a shout out, honestly. I think they've gotten enough. Mattel's fine. And I'm over the Barbie dolls. I feel like it's time just to create my own art and to showcase the shit that I like now. I've gotten my fill, although I will be keeping the clothes. The clothes I will keep, but the dolls, someone else can enjoy those. Now, an offshoot of the doll I've made of my emote is the little miniature bathing beauties. Now, these ones, I hate to say it to you, but I fucking snap with these, all right? These are so, so cute, all right? Now, I showed you this first one. I showed them off in a live stream, but I'm going to do a formal video here to show them off. These girls will be for sale. Again, one of a kinds. Once they're gone, they're gone. I believe this is the one I'm going to keep. It's like a miniature version of my, you know, emote doll, the blonde. I'll probably keep her, but if you like her, maybe I'll make her again. You'll never know. But that's our blondie. But check this out. They get even better, okay? I was playing around with different skin tones and different hair colors. So we have a brunette, classic brunette with nice pinky skin. A lovely, lovely, lovely jet black haired beauty. Look at that gorgeous tan. Oh my God, the little polka dot bikini. We have here this gorgeous gal in her blue bathing suit. I'm obsessed with her. I think she is so cute and so, so fun. Oh my God. Like, this bikini is so cute on her, and the little red nails. Beautiful. A beautiful girl. Her head turns. Yeah, these girls' heads turn. They're jointed. Like, they got a little bit of articulation in the arms and legs, and the heads move and turn, which is very, very fun. I was doing that sort of a tribute to, like, souvenir art, especially here in Las Vegas. We used to be so, so big on that. Souvenir art was such a thing. We used to go super hard for it. I feel like since we started, like, just bringing any old crap from online into Las Vegas, a lot of that, like, nice Vegas charm is kind of dissipated from our souvenir work. So I'm bringing a little bit of that back. This is our redhead. And we have a lot of these. I'll be making them because, again, like, they don't take that long to make, and I really like them. They're really fun. Also, the painted on bikini, I think it's a fun little touch, you know? They all wear a different variation of the yellow polka dot bikini, like the famous song. The little high heels kill me. I think they're so cute in the scale. Like, oh my God, they crack me up. But yeah, I adore these girls. I think they are so much fun. And again, they'll be going up for sale very soon. They're not gonna be that expensive. But honestly, I feel like this is a fun little representation of, like, that 1960s mod beach party kind of fun vibe. Oh my God, our bathing beauties. I'm obsessed. But yeah, this is all the art I've created thus far. I cannot wait to do another showcase when I've got even more art to show. Stay tuned because the Vava Voom girls are coming very, very soon. They're varnishing. I want to make sure they are pitch perfect and, like, exactly the way I want them before I, like, put them out and display them. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this little update. If there's anything else you want to see, please let me know. This channel has been growing so fast and so great. I'm appreciating all the feedback and getting all the help and pointers people have been giving me. I really appreciate them. It's really helped me on my journey of, like, getting better with this 3D printing stuff and just creating art again. I'm glad you guys are just as excited about this as I am. So yeah, thank you so, so much for just coming on this journey with me again, you guys. Now, I gotta get going. I gotta finish painting some more dolls. And remember, dolls are fun and dolls are for everyone. All right? Take care of yourselves. Bye.